Hi, can you briefly introduce yourself and your role as a school counselor?
Yes, so my name is Jana Lee. I am the current kindergarten, 4th, and 5th grade counselor here at Rankin Elementary, and I have about 28 kids on my current caseload for individual counseling sessions.
Okay. What are the most common academic stress-related concerns students bring to you?
A lot of our students like to what I call overachieve, so they get very upset if they're not meeting grade level expectations or even the high expectations they've set on themselves or from their parents. So a lot of times they come to us very anxious. Even if they have a 93, they said it should be a 95 kind of thing.
Yes. How does academic stress affect students emotionally and socially?
It definitely adds, like I was saying, anxiety. They get very worked up, very nervous, and then they feel like they're not performing because they can't break that barrier between their self-expectations and being anxious.
What unique stressors do students from disadvantaged backgrounds feel?
They do feel, I know in the past, the meetings I've had, they feel a little bit left out. They feel like they don't have some of the same advantages and resources. So our job with that is to make sure we're introducing all of that to our families and making sure everybody has equal access.
What strategies would you recommend to students to cope with this stress?
We are really big on self-care. We have a whole common corner. We have problem solving posters up, and basically we tell kids when they come to us what they say stays in here, of course, unless they're harming themselves. We work on self-care. Sometimes it's art therapy. Sometimes we dim the lights, turn on ocean waves, and they will talk through it. Sometimes they just need to sit, but we definitely give them different recommendations because we know different things work for different kids. So sometimes they may just need a drink of water, they may take a walk, or they may just come in here and take a few deep breaths, and then they'll talk or not talk, and then they'll head on back to class.
Okay. And what advice would you give parents to support their child's mental well-being?
Our biggest advice is family time and definitely no electronics. I know right now I'm dealing with 2 families where I've had to encourage family time, like let's put the phones down, even if it's 5-10 minutes. Ask your child how their day is going. Actually be involved, see what's going on with them, and we'll tell them like, hey, this is what we're working on at school. So maybe if they need a calm down session, we'll send a journal home if they're writing in it, or art therapy, and we encourage the parents to kind of do the same things that we're doing with their child based on their needs.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you.